Yung uniform, mix and match, sabi na civilian, hindi nakatayong beach.
Good afternoon everyone. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is installation ng Cessna 150 ng propeller. So, nabaklas na, installation na lang. Pero bago tayo mag-start, papanoorin ko muna kayo ng video. So, kunyari ko tayo. Pero meron tayo nagdang video. Hindi natin ito tapusin. Para na magkaroon lang kayo ng idea. Ito pala ng open. Tapa nga eh. Paano play? Pero basahin niyo muna yung manual para magkaroon kayo ng idea sa removal lang. Nandun yan, sa page na ulit. Ano ito? Installation lang pala. Installation. Sa page 13. Yan, ulo ako muna dito. Panoorin nyo lang kahit
I grab my prop, put it up here. And I tighten it up. Now I got my prop back on. All I got to do is torque the bolts and safety wire. But now let's think of a problem we could have here. How do I know the prop was on right in the first place? I may have just put it back on the wrong way the guy before me put it on. That's one reason why I say never put things back together the way you took them apart unless you know you're the person that put it together the last time. Always use the book. Now we're going to go with the second way. Okay, now the second thing we're going to do. This is more along with the lines of the book. And like I say, always use the book. Keep it simple, stupid. Follow the book step by step. You can't go wrong. But if you've done it a couple times with the old tape routine, or somebody's talked to you about the tape routine, even though you might get lucky and the prop might be on right, so you put it back on right. What's going to happen if you go out to your practical and you're walking around the corner, your DME tells you you got to put a prop on, and you're got your tape with you, you're ready to go, and then when you get there, what do you find? Yeah, he's already taken the prop off. So now you have no reference points to start it with. You can ask the DME, did you put the Scotch tape on it for me? He's not going to say yes. So this is the way we're going to do it as far as the book is concerned. First thing he's going to do is tell you to find the gear. Now, on most engines, one of these little dowel pins are oversized. I don't know why, but this particular engine doesn't have one. They're all the same size, but normally they do have an oversized one. For my training purpose and stuff, I put a little notch on where the oversized one should be. Then, the gear itself is going to have a hole with a 0 on it, which means this is the oversized one. So you got to put them on so they line up. What this does is it times the gear to the engine. If this gear is not timed to the engine, your timing marks aren't going to read anything. So when you go to put your magneto on, it ain't going to work. So then what we want to do is turn it till we have our engine at top center. We got the little timing mark on the back of the starter, and we got the timing marks on the gear itself. Once we get that done, now we get our prop. The book tells you to get the prop straight up and down, and then turn it one set of both holes. Let's run them up. Okay, like I said, the book tells you how to prop straight up and move it one bolt hole. Most of us in the field, we call this putting the prop at 1 o'clock. Hence the term clocking the prop. The reason we want the prop in this position is so when the engine is shut off when it's running, the engine's going to shut off this way. That way the engine's all set and ready to go to hand prop it.
Okay na, naintindihan niyo na kung ano gagawin natin, maintindihan na kayo, okay? Kasi mag-isa lang siya. Pero kayo, marami, kaya okay na. Ang gagawin natin is installation. Kaya, parang kinakabahan din. So, sabi sa manual, anong sabi? Pero syempre, bago natin i-install, i-check nyo muna yung propeller kung na-repair na natin. Kasi nga, bakit natin tinanggal? Syempre, ibig sabihin may mali or kailangan natin maintenance. So, simulan na natin. Nakalagay.
Drive downward wings into position 2 at touch propeller. Spacer and spinner bumper. Back end must be positioned so that propeller blades and ensure clearance.
Yes.
Be sure magneto switch is in off position na naman. So, bakit kailangan naka-off yung magneto natin?
Mag-crack.
Kasi ang magneto, yun yung nag-create ng spark. So, kada turn natin ng propeller, kaya nyo mag-send ng spark dito, pwedeng umanda. So, delikado yun. Kaya kailangan make sure natin na off. Dito yun, i-switch off sa loob. So, after nun, pwede natin ikabit. So, kunin nyo na yung propeller, tapos, ito natin. So, nakita nyo naman sa video na kung paano yung ginawa, kaya sundan na lang natin. Pero, syempre, gagaidan ko kayo. Kunin nyo. Tapos yung tools, kanina, yung mga bolts. Kung paanong side or angle nyo nakuha, di ba sabi 30 degrees? Yan, pasok nyo. Yan. Mas alalay kasi baka mahulog. Pasok. Okay. Pasok nyo na yung mga bolts. Pasok mo. Go, go, go.
Lagay mo lang muna.
tanong ako, bakit sa paghigpit kailangan may pattern? At saka ano munang pattern?
Criss-cross.
Bakit kailangan?
Para balance yung
Pressure? Ano? Balance yung...
paghigpit.
Okay. So, kuha kayo ng torque wrench. Pero tight nyo muna. Sige. So, sa pag-hand-tight, kailangan naka-pattern din Sige lang. Hindi, malayo pa naman yun. Pero manual. So, nakalagay dito sa manual, ang torque natin is 300 to 360 pound-inches. Eh, ang meron tayo sa torque wrench is foot-pound. So, kailangan natin mag-convert. So, paano? So, yung 300, i-divide natin sa 12. Bakit 12? Kasi ilang inches meron sa isang foot? 12. So, 300 divided by 12 is 25. So, isi-set natin yung torque wrench natin ng 25. Marunong naman kayo, di ba? Okay. So, ikaw, set mo to ng 25. Kaya mo? Hindi ka familiar? Hindi nga, totoo. Familiar or hindi? Tuturuan ko. Or hindi mo na matandaan? O sige, tuturuan kita. Tara dito. Ang nakalagay kasi is foot-pound. Eh, ang meron tayo, ang kailangan sa manual is, ano kailangan sa manual? Foot-pound, ang nakalagay sa manual is pound inches. Eh, ang meron natin foot-pound. So, i-divide natin. Kailangan natin is 25. So, tandaan mo, yung 0 dapat tumutok dito sa gitna. Diba? Ikot mo lang ng ikot. Hanggang yung 0 makarating dito sa baba. Hindi pwede dun sa taas kasi mag-iiba na yung value. Kasi di ba nakaganon ka? So, 0. So, ayan. Kung makikita mo, 15 yan. Bakit? That's yung natin 15. Oo. So, etong 0, kailangan makarating siya sa 25. So, ikot mo lang na ikot hanggang P5. Ayan. So, ikaw, bigyan mo ako ng 32.
Hop! Lock lang.
30, dapat mo muna sa 30, tapos dagdagan mo ng 2. 31, 32. Okay na, marunong na. So, kabit nyo na yung socket. Higpitan nyo na. Go! O, ilang click sa pag-check?
Dalawa.
Okay. 2 to 3 naman, pero...
Hop! Lock lang.
Kinakabahan eh. Sige.
Wala pa.
Dahan-dahan lang ha.
Wala pa. Nararamdaman mo naman. Pawisan.
Oh, isa pa. Angat. Hindi, okay na yun. Isa pa. I mean, sige. Yan. Criss-cross nga eh. Yun.
Sir.
Oh, ano sunod? Hindi yan. CEO ka ba?
CEO yan, ma'am.
CEO ka yan?
Sir, yes, sir!
Yun. Oh, dalawa pa.
Humibilis. Natuto. Hindi.
Kamu, buti na lang, nagganto tayo. After nyan, mag-safety wire tayo, pero okay na muna yan kasi may iba pang gagawa. So, ang gagawin natin, babalik na natin yung spark plug. Nandun yung tools natin. Click nyo na para... Yan yung nasa...
Itim.
Tara ma'am.
Pasensya na kayo kay Beauty, tignan nyo naman, oh. Nag-iising halo na siya.
Ano na kayo ng overall ko eh.
Balik ba na?
Dito ma'am, wala
Baba na mga yun.
Meron, pero i-hand tight nyo na. Kita mo,
Baka yung susunod.
mahirapan. Tapos yung harness, kapit mo rin.
Okay na, tayo na.
Okay na. So, bago yan, may papagawa muna ako sa inyo. Sagutan nyo lang, short essay lang naman to. Okay? Dali lang.
Magayad na yung kung...
Tapos, checkan nyo yung procedures na ginawa natin. Okay na yon.
Perfect yan.
Thank you!